Assalamu alaikum, respected supervisor, honorable jury member, and everyone present here. My name is Huzefa, and today my team and I are representing our final year project titled SkillBridge, AI-powered tutor finding and learning management mobile application. Education is one of the most important aspects of every student's life, but finding the right tutor is still a major challenge. Most students rely on recommendations from friends, relatives, or social media, which is often time-consuming and unreliable. Similarly, many talented tutors struggle to promote their services because they lack a proper digital platform. After studying these problems, we developed SkillBridge, an AI-powered mobile application that connects students, tutors, and parents through a single platform. Our project aims to simplify tutor searching and improve communication between all stakeholders. A student can search tutor based on subject, course, academic board, and fee range. The system also provides AI-based tutor recommendations, helping students find the most suitable tutor according to their educational preferences. Another important issue, we identified the lack of parental involvement. Parents usually depend on verbal feedback from tutors and cannot monitor their child's progress effectively. To solve this, we included a dedicated parent dashboard where parents can view quizzes, assignments, test marks, monthly progress reports. SkillBridge also helps tutors by allowing them to create professional profiles, upload demo videos, communicate with students, and manage academic records. Now I would like to invite Hanzala, who will explain the core functionalities of our application. Thank you.
Now I will explain the core functionality of SkillBridge. The application consists of four main modules: student, tutor, parent, and admin. The student module allows users to register and log in securely. A student can browse tutor search using different filters such as subject, course, board, and fee range, or receive AI-based tutor recommendations based on the information provided during the registration. A student can allow view tutor profile that display qualification, experience, teaching subject, fee demos, and rating given by previous student. One satisfied student can enroll with the preferred tutor and communicate through the built-in chat system. The tutor module enables tutor to create and manage their professional profile. Tutor can upload demo videos or YouTube links to showcase their teaching style. They can also communicate with the student and update academic performance by loading quick quiz, marks, assignment, and test result. The parent module improve transparency by allowing parent to monitor their child academic progress. Parent can access monthly reports, view marks, and communicate directly with tutors whenever required. Finally, the admin module manages user, verifies tutor account, and maintains the overall system. These modules work together to create a complete learning ecosystem where student, tutors, and parents can interact efficiently. Now, I would like to invite my teammate Ashar to explain the technology used in our project ending.
Thank you. I will explain the technology used to develop SkillBridge. Our mobile application is developed using Flutter, which allows us to create a modern and responsive user interface. The backend is developed with Node.js, which efficiently handles client requests, business logic, and communication with the database through RESTful APIs. For database management, we use MongoDB, a database that stores user information, tutor profile, enrollments, and academic records. To ensure system security, we implement JSON Web Token authentication. This provides secure logic functionality, role-based access control, ensuring that only authorized user can access specific user. For our recommendation system, we use JavaScript to develop a machine learning model. The model analyzes information such as course, academic board, subject, and Twitter data to recommend the most suitable tutors for students. We also use GitHub for control collaboration development, while Postman was used to test our APIs during backend development. Together, these technologies provide a scalable, secure, and efficient platform capable for supporting students, tutors, parents, and administrators. Now, I would like to invite final teammates Hassan to explain the project outcome, testing, and conclusion. Thank you.
Thank you. Finally, I will conclude our presentation by discussing the project results and future enhancements. After completing development, we tested all major functionalities of SkillBridge, including user registration, login, tutor searching, AI recommendations, chat functionality, academic progress tracking, and role-based access control. The testing results confirm that the application performs efficiently and successfully meets both functional and non-functional requirements. The AI recommendation system provides personalized tutor suggestions, while the learning management system enables tutors to upload quizzes, assignments, and test marks that can be viewed by both students and parents. Our project successfully addressed challenges identified at the beginning of this presentation by providing an intelligent tutor discovery platform, improving communication, and increasing parental involvement in the learning process. In the future, we plan to enhance SkillBridge by adding online video classes, integrated payment gateways, attendance tracking, nationwide tutor coverage, multilingual service support, and more advanced AI-based learning analytics. In conclusion, SkillsBridge provides a secure, scalable, and user-friendly educational platform that connects students, tutors, and parents while making tutor selection and academic monitoring much easier. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.